Hi and a very good day to everyone. In this short video, I want to show you how to properly export your Revit model into DWG format that can be used in SketchUp or SKP model. Okay, so this is the bad example of how you when you export not properly. Okay, so I just active cut. As you can see here, we have lines here as the wall is modeled using mesh in Revit. So when we export it, it becomes a set of lines. And worse, if you want to delete it, it will affect other components as well. So in this tutorial, I want to show you how to properly export your Revit model, 3D Revit model that can be used into other tools properly. So for example, your clients or your partners want to use your model for their parts, such as rendering or whatever task that they are doing according to their preferences. Okay. Okay. First we open the Revit model here. Okay. Open the Revit model. Then when we want to export it, File tab, click Export. And you can see CAD formats. Okay. In CAD formats, you got DWG, DXF, DGN, and also 3D axis model. So in my method, I just want to use universally preferred DWG format. Okay, and then we have DWG export menu here, and click the three dot line, modify export setup, and then we go to the solids tab. Okay, this is the most important. Export solid as for 3D views only. You must choose the X solids. Alright, so if you choose polymesh, it will become just like this model. So if you done a lot of topography, for example, or meshing, so it will be kind of waste of your model export, because at the end it will not be reliable or can be used by the receiver of your model. As you can see, a set of lines. If you delete it, see the model becomes different shape. Okay, so click X solids and then click OK. Then current view. Okay, next. Okay, now you must rename it to 3D view or 3D X sample. Then untick the export views as extract. Okay, then click OK. So it will export your Revit model according to your settings. Okay, now we have exported the model. The next step, we must open SketchUp. Okay, open the SketchUp. Right, pick the templates, architecture millimeters. Then we wait for it to be loaded. Alright, now it has been loaded. Okay, go to File tab, and we have import, import, and then we go to the 3D X file that we have exported from Revit, and make sure to be all supported type. Or if you have specific you want to be in DWG, just DWG or DXF, or for other file you can just pick. But for this example, or by default, SketchUp will choose the all supported types, so we can choose various type that we have export. Okay, import. Okay, now we have import results, so we just click close. All right, so now we have our imported model. Okay, as you can see from the outside here, you already noticed that the model is smooth compared to our previous setting or previous example. You can see, so the object geometry is very smooth and according to your Revit project. Okay, then we try to draw a section. Okay, and we cut out the building, and you can see our wall is smooth as your Revit model. So the problem is solved, and you can just pick and paint your materials. For example, you can just edit component, or you want to explode. That's just according to your preference. Okay, you can also explode it, but that may take some time. Okay, now we can just paint the wall. So you can just paint the wall according to your preference. First example here, you can see if you want to paint the wall, it will be a disaster because of the mesh or the poly mesh that we have exported along the Revit model. So after you adjust the export setting to be the X model, so it will become a pure solid and smooth. So you can just pick up your material and paint all your geometry and components in your SketchUp model. And close component, and here we go. You can paint all of your geometry. So that's all for me for this video. Hope it will help you in collaborating with others that still are using the SketchUp model or the SketchUp tools. Okay, that's all. Thank you.